Join Viking for 10 delightful days to enjoy time-honored traditions along the legendary Elbe River. Your journey begins in Prague, where you'll have 2 overnights to explore the city of 1,000 spires, including the colorful Christmas market, the stunning astronomical clock, and the city's rich Jewish heritage in the Josefov Quarter. Then you're off to Bad Schandau and the soaring rock formation of the Saxon Switzerland region. Up next, beautiful Dresden, often called Florence on the Elbe. Stroll the grounds of the opulent Swinger Palace. Step into the Semper Opera House and enjoy the Christstollen, one of the world's oldest Christmas markets. At Meissen, the skyline is dominated by Albrechtsberg Castle and the Gothic Meissen Cathedral. Just below, you'll find more colourful markets and the chance to learn about handmade Meissen-ware porcelain. In Wittenberg, follow in Martin Luther's footsteps and stroll the festive streets of this quaint town. From Potsdam, you'll take in the elegant Sanssouci Palace, the vision of Prussian King Frederick the Great. Your remarkable Viking journey concludes with an overnight stay in Cosmopolitan Berlin, where you'll have time to immerse yourself in this spectacular capital city, its inviting Christmas market, and significant monuments.